हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, अपनी तैयारी कर रहे होंगे। तो चलिए आज हम द हिंदू से एडिटोरियल को रीड करेंगे। तो देख सकते हैं हम लोग, कटिंग द कैपिटन ऑन कांग्रेस एंड पंजाब, अमरिंदर सिंह आउटसेट एंड द सिलेक्शन ऑफ हिज बेटर चरणजीत सिंह चेन्नई एज चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ पंजाब। पंजाब के चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन बन गए हैं? चरणजीत सिंह चेन्नई एज चीफ मिनिस्टर। देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर आप लोग। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, देख सकते हैं आप लोग, चरणजीत सिंह बन गए हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए इसको रीड करते हैं। तो इसको टिक मारते हैं, तो इसको बड़ा कर लेते हैं। देख सकते हैं, कटिंग द कैपिटल ऑन कांग्रेस एंड पंजाब, द कांग्रेस माइट हैव ended on the crisis in Punjab, only the set of a bigger ones। आगे पढ़ते हैं। अमरिंदर सिंह आउटसेटर एट द selection is of his better Charanjit Singh Chennai, Chief Minister of Punjab, was the separated of Delhi by the Congress High Command, which of the affected is party MP राहुल गांधी MP से हैं मध्य प्रदेश से, एंड AICC जनरल सेक्रेटरी इन चार्ज ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश प्रियंका गांधी उत्तर प्रदेश से विधानसभा से आती हैं। तो वर्धा they are pushed for the change of guard only month ahead of the next assembly election। Tendency Punjab is one of the only three states where the party is in power। The party MLA had turned against Captain Amrinder Singh, but not before the Gandhis made it clear that they wanted him out। Captain Amrinder Singh 79 had said of the 2017 assembly election that it was the last in his career and the party should identify his successor ahead of the next election, which is now due in month, while the Gandhis appeal to have it took seriously Captain Amrinder as those in power often do went back on his word। Captain Amrinder says the reason for his change of mind. He now say his retirement is not imminent, is the choice by the Gandhis of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the party state president, whom he considered as anti-national and mixed of the Pakistani establishment। The incoming chief minister, a Dalit Singh, as the party chief, have been acting is tandem to unseat Captain Amrinder। It is the one thing to push for new leadership in the party, and quite another to create a crisis in the progress। The cost of his change for the Congress will be clear only in the coming days, but it is already evident that getting the party back in fighting shape will be an unhealed task। Captain Amrinder Singh is a sprawling political option outside the Congress. While it may not be easy for him to build something new, he could cure the pitch for the Congress. His absence itself could be a drag on the feet for the party through admittedly in इन कहाँ पढ़ रहे थे इनके जगह इन दी communally sensitive border state has been critical for the party। His moderate image, secular approach on the nationalism, rhetoric fit the Congress well। Mr. Sidhu and Mr. Chennai has been making provocating appeals to seek region grievance in their effort to outsmart the option ceremony Akali Dal SAD and the outgoing chief minister। His propensity for communal appealing, and his unstable temperament make Mr. Sidhu a sinister joker in the Congress pack. Should the Congress win, he will claim the chief minister post with the sad on the government when it enacted the three farm law, and the state farmer are up in arm against and the BJP friendless and faceless. The Congress had appeared poised to retain power. Perhaps such advantageous circumstance embodiment the Gandhi to go for the Jajukal in Punjab. The said might have got a lifeline, and the Aam Aadmi Party new hope while the Congress deal with the internal crisis. तो आप लोग पढ़ सकते हैं और इसके बारे में जानकारी ले सकते हैं। चलिए दूसरा आर्टिकल पढ़ते हैं। ए स्पाइक ऑन द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ कोविड-19 वैक्सीन कवरेज। अभी तक कितना कवरेज हो चुका है कोविड-19 वैक्सीन को लेकर। इंडिया मस्ट प्रायोरिटाइज वैक्सीन टू स्टेट एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स एंड दैट आर greatest infection risk. India on September 70 administered a record 2.5 crore vaccine shot, which an ambulance health minister said was the event on the population of the whole of Australia, two-thirds of Canada, of 5 times that the New Zealand, the only other मच्छर काट रहा है फ्रेंड्स, मच्छर लग रहा है ये फ्रेंड्स। Canada 5 times New Zealand, and only other composition would be China. Peace vaccine 2.47 crore shot on the signal day through 2.5 crore means 62% Indian adult have now got at last on dose, and the one of the 5 fully inoculated Friday, Friday drive was party of a concerted push by BJP ruled state to boost vaccination number as a birthday gift to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but to in Congress a behavioral nudes when supply a abatement and demand is not commisulated as in the US and have a market supply shortage. Even a vaccine production continue as in India, who are two different are two different are two different things. Bharat Biotech was supposed to be supplying 7 crore dose a month from July August and 10 crore doses a month from September, according to the Department of Biotechnology statement in April. This would means at last least 52 crore doses from July December on 40 crore is to be supplied from September December. Since the vaccination drive began, only 9 crore doses of Covaxin have been administered at the last week. At last 3 crore shortage. Several cabinet ministers in summer had boasted boosted that India money India would inoculated its adult population about 94 crore by the year in. This will require over 185 crore doses or close on 1 crore inoculation a day. India has now crossed the 80 crore mark before the birthday drive. 80 crore mark before the birthday drive. India is the most recent 7 days average was 0.6 से 0.7 करोड़ Bihar, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat will which saw among the highest vaccine spike on September 17 tried 6 to 10 times their previous 7 days average. India is one against on the downswing as for as daily coronavirus number go, but at close to 30,000 cases a day is now where near the all-time low of nearly 10,000 daily cases in February, which preceded the catastrophic second wave. The globally most prevalent Delta variant may have already washed over large swathes of India, but warming immunity spec which thrilling to which educational institutes set to open in a big way during the winter as crores of unvaccinated children value naval. The imperative should be to boost daily supply. India is lucky to there is so for number discernible vaccine separatism and hostility, and it has only the dairy brother which production and delivering the cheap penicillin instead of positioning vaccine drive as opponents to set vaccine record. The central must prioritize vaccine to state and district that are at greatest infection risk and follow up with vaccine make to speed up the make good on their commitment. तो देख सकते हैं आप लोग, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में कुछ और क्वेश्चन के साथ। थैंक यू एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे, ऑल द बेस्ट।